Hello students, and today we are going to discuss about Pariksha Pe Charcha PPC 5 Contest 2022. The 5th edition of Pariksha Pe Charcha, the unit interactive program of Honorable Prime Minister with the students, teachers and parents will be held through virtual mode in February 2022. In order to select participants who will be featured in Pariksha Pe Charcha program, an online creative writing competition is being conducted at the link here given www.mygov.in on various topics that is included in Annexure 1 during 28th of December to 20th January 2022 for children studying in 9th to 12th, teachers and parents. About 2050 winners will also receive a certificate signed by director of NCERT and a special PPC kit comprising of exam warriors book in Hindi or English written by Honorable Prime Minister. So the students of class 9 to 12, their teachers and parents can also participate in this Pariksha Pe Charcha program. The students who have earlier participated in this program, they know very well they will have to write some things about the topic given and will submit. The link is open from the 28th of December up to 20 January 2022. The competitions are the mode through which we invite students, parents and teachers to frame their questions to be addressed to the Honorable Prime Minister. Selected questions shortlisted by NCERT may feature in the program. So students, parents and teachers can ask the question through this media, through this platform to the Honorable Prime Minister, and the selected question, the question will be shortlisted, and a genuine question, the question which is very important, will be asked to the Prime Minister in this program. The participant who asked questions in the previous edition of Pariksha Pe Charcha are invited by media channels to appear in their programs. In the same lines, these years chosen few may get an opportunity to interact with media. In this context, you are requested to kindly arrange the following. Number 1, use your own social media handles and PPC 2022 to disseminate the event along with their own participations for the event. So here you have to create, you have to handle your own social medias. You could make your own posters, creatives, videos, etc. and post accordingly. The selected creative videos from along these shall also be exhibited on the MyGov platform website. Students will be selected in states UTs for receiving special PPC kits. States have been requested to issue instructions to SCERT or equivalent organization in the state or UTs to carry out the selection process subject to allocate quota Annexure 2 in coordination with NCERT. So watch the whole video. I will show you how you can register your participations in this program. Ensure maximum registration of students from class 9 to 12. So maximum candidates from class 9 to 12 should participate in this program. Here the link is given. I will give the link in my description also. Click on the link to participate in this program. Here the link is being opened. Wait for some time until the link is opened to the web browser. Here you can see this is the main site through which students can participate in PPC 2022. This is the banner Pariksha Pe Charcha 2022. And you can see these are the registration links for students, teachers and parents. If you are a student, you can click on the students link. If you are a teacher, then you can register as a teacher, or you are parent, then you can register as parents. So you can see these are the seats, 3.46 plus lakh for the students, 75.42 plus K for teachers and 19.04 plus K for parents. Here you can see in the left pan there are certain informations. This is the information about PPC 2022 and rewards. In the right side you can see the information regarding the Pariksha Pe Charcha contest. This is theme. So here are the themes given in Annexure 1. That is the first theme, exam stress management strategies during COVID-19. Creative strategies adopted by you as a student to manage pandemic stress and forthcoming exam stress. So here you can write about exam stress management, your strategies about the forthcoming examination. The second theme is Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Do you know about the history of the village, town, city where you live? Write about your village, town or city and share about an unknown facet of the freedom struggle there. So in this theme, you need to write about the city, town or village where you live. Self-reliant school for self-reliant India. What does self-reliance mean to you? Share your ideas on making you and your teachers Atmanirbhar in terms of teaching and learning when the schools are not fully functional due to COVID-19. Clean India, Green India. Your ideas on how to strengthen India's fight against climate change. The fifth theme is digital collaboration in classrooms. How your teacher made your online class joyful, interesting and effective during the pandemic. Your views on how quality of online classes can be improved. Environmental conservation and climate change resilience. Activities undertaken by you as a student during pandemic period of environmental conservation and climate change. So these 6 themes are for students. Now 2 themes are for teachers. The first theme is National Education Policy, that is NAP for Naya Bharat. How provisions of National Education Policy will empower students' life in particular and society in general and pave way for Naya Bharat. The second theme for teachers, the COVID-19 pandemic opportunities and challenges. You have to write about the opportunities and challenges in COVID-19 pandemic. The improvisation strategies adopted in teaching, learning during the pandemic and creative solution adopted by teachers during the pandemic. The third theme is for the parents. The first one is Beti Padhao, Desh Badhao. So this is the first theme, Beti Padhao, Desh Badhao. As the country is celebrating 7 years of successful implementation of Honorable Prime Minister's call of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, write a creative note on how it has helped in national development. Another theme, local to global, vocal or local. What would you do to make India to go local to global while ensuring you are vocal for local? Lifelong students yearning for learning. Write about any new technology that you learned from your children during COVID-19 pandemic. So here the list, the quota for participation in PPC special kits is presented below. This is the list, state-wise quota for participants in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Total participants, selection of total 18 participants will be there. In Andhra Pradesh 56, Arunachal Pradesh 18, Assam 46, Bihar 130, Chandigarh 18, Chhattisgarh 40, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu 18, Delhi 50, Goa 20, Gujarat 84, Haryana 40, Himachal Pradesh 20, Jammu and Kashmir 16, Jharkhand 36, Karnataka 84, Kerala 56, Ladakh 4, Lakshadweep 18, Madhya Pradesh 102, Maharashtra 202, Manipur 18, Meghalaya 18, Mizoram 18, Nagaland 18, Odisha 56, Pondicherry 18, Punjab 52, Rajasthan 120, Sikkim 18, Tamil Nadu 126, Telangana 38, Tripura 18, Uttar Pradesh 350, Uttarakhand 22 and West Bengal 84. So total 2050 participants will be selected here, which I have earlier discussed from this very circular. The two links, the links of the website and the links to participate, to register students, teachers and parents in this PPC program, I will give in the description. In this guideline, every information about participation is being given here. So you can register on both manners. You can register your own by using the guidelines given, guidelines for students, and you can also register through your teachers by teacher login. Here the guidelines for parents and teachers. These are the guidelines that parents and teachers should follow to register in the program. These are the dates. As earlier I have told you, the starting date, that is 28th of December 2021, and end of registration is 28th, that is 20 January 2022. Here you can ignite the exam warrior in you with PM Modi. Just click this link and you can see how you will have to participate in this. So these are the guidelines, and when you want to register in this program, just click on the participate now. After clicking participate now, you will find here 4 links. Students self participation, that the students of his own should register using this link. Student participation through teachers login, where the teacher will register their students, teacher will register their own, and parent can register by using this link. So 4 links are available. Students self participations from 9th class to 12th class, student participation through teacher login from 9th class to 12th class, teacher, this link is given for the participation of teachers, and this link is given for the participation of parents. So select the link as required by you. If you are a student and you want to register your own, then click on this login to participate. When you will click on this link, a registration window, a login window will open here. Just type your mobile number, and here you can click on login with OTP. You can also log in through social medias, that is Facebook, Google, Twitter. You can also register through these social medias, or if you want to register through mobile number, just type the mobile number. Suppose I am typing a mobile number and just click on the login with OTP. A OTP will be sent to the registered mobile number, to the mobile number which you are giving here, and here you will have to enter the OTP. After clicking on the submit button, you will see that the registration form will be opened. So these are the informations on the login on the registration page. Here the student name by default is displayed here. This is the student name. This is the student will have to provide the email ID in this text box. Then his mobile number is displayed here. He has to select whether he is male, female and others. He has to choose the class, in which class he reads. He will have to select the date of birth. For example, here you provide the parent's name. Those schools which are private and registered under CBSE, affiliated through CBSE, should use this CBSE private schools. Here type the school name, type the address of the school, in which state the school is being situated, select the state, select the city, type the pin code here, and in the activity details area, select the topics: exam stress management strategies during COVID-19, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, self-reliant school for self-reliant India, Clean India, Green India, digital collaboration in classrooms, environmental conservation and climate change release. So select a topic from the given topics, describe the theme within 1500 characters. Describe the themes here about the topic you have selected, and in this area type a question for the Honorable Prime Minister. Ask question to PM. When you type this question, after typing the question, click on the submit button. So here the registration is being completed. So in this manner you can register. If you are a student and want to select yourself, then click on this self participation. If you are a student and want to register through your teacher, then this link will be selected, participate now. If you are a teacher, then you click on participate now in the teacher for teachers link, and if you are a parent, then click on participate now from the parent link. So this is all about the PPC 2022. That's all. Thank you for watching the video.